In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to play Please Donate on mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna download the Roblox app from the Play Store or App Store, whichever device you're using. Then you're gonna go and open the game. Alright, open the game. So once you've opened the game and you made sure you made an account, so in my case I made my account right there, then you can just search up Please Donate. So please donate, and then you can go into the experience and play. Now I'm going to teach you guys the basics so that you can go and start earning a few Robux. So I'm going to click hit play, and I'm going to go in the game. It's going to wait for it to open. Then you can put volume less. Alright, so once you're in the game, this is how it looks like on mobile. So now, the first thing is that you have to go claim a stand. So this is a stand which is unclaimed, so I'm going to go and claim it right now. So now, it's successfully claimed, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, so there you go, mine is successfully claimed. So now, as you guys can see, this is a game where people play to earn Robux. So let's say you're a bacon like me, and you want to earn some Robux, you can do stuff. For example, this guy, he has made game passes right there, and people can go and see, and they can donate him money. Similarly, right now I have no game passes, so my first job right now is to make a game pass. So to make a game pass, I'm gonna go back, close the game, I'm gonna go to google.com, and I'm gonna search up roblox.com. So I'm gonna go here, search roblox.com. I'm gonna go click the first link. I'll have to make sure I'm signed in with my account which I was playing the game on. Then I'm gonna hit create on the top corner right there, create. Once I'm here, I'm gonna go over to experiences and click on the first experience right there, and then here I'm gonna click on those three dots, click on the three dots, my bad again, click on the three dots, and then go over to associated items. Once you're here, you're gonna head over to passes, and you're gonna create a game pass for a certain amount of price. To create a pass, I'm gonna give a name, donations, thanks. I'm gonna click create a pass. So once that is done, now I'm gonna give it a price. Alright, so I'm gonna go click it again, the game pass which I just made, donations. I'm gonna click on the three dots again. I'm gonna go over to sales, and right here I'm gonna give a price to this. So I'm gonna open item for sale and give a price of, let's say, 10,000 Robux. Alright, save changes. Alright, now it's successfully saved. I've created my game pass. So now I'm gonna go back and show you how the game pass looks like. So there you go, 10,000 Robux. Now I'm gonna go back in the game right now. I'm gonna join, and I'm gonna show you the game pass will pop up right there. And I'm going to show you a bit other features on how you can get a cool stand so that I can make it attractive and so more people will come to your stand. So I'm going to show you. Just going to wait for the game to load. Right. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go claim a stand. This is unclaimed, so I'm going to go claim this right one. I'm going to wait for it. So as you guys can see, the game pass I just made for 10,000 Robux is right there. So now if anyone wants to buy it, they can just click on it and buy it. Now a few other options that you might want to know is that if you click on this button, so as you can see, there's no text right now. It says that your text here, I can write please donate for my goal, right? Just an example. You can write anything you want. So I'm gonna apply. And as you guys can see, it changes it right there. It says please donate for my goal. Now let's say you want to know how to get this laser beam stand. You can just click on this button and write the code laser beam, and then you're gonna get a cool startup stand. Right now I've already redeemed it, so yeah. And then to put it, you can just go here and then click on settings, and here you can see there are many booth models. So this is the one I have, the laser beam one, and you can claim it. So that's how you do everything in Please Donate. You can make a few more game passes for like 5 Robux, 10, so that people might donate you. But this is pretty much how this game works. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.